I don't know about you guys, but these brownies, they don't hit the same. These were like the definition of chocolate. They're not a good brownie. I don't even know what to say. We're making them from scratch. So we're just gonna make a simple brownie batter. To be honest, box brownies taste better than these. These dry things. Why eat it again? Butter, melted. I want some sugar. Where's my whisk? Oh. I couldn't find a whisk, so a spatula will do. Mix, 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 mix. And we need vanilla. Can't have too much. Let's set this aside. And then we're gonna work on our dry ingredients. Flour. Cocoa powder. Don't wanna get dirty. I got a nice shirt on. I need some baking powder. And some salt. Salt is literally so important when you're baking. If you don't use salt, it's gonna be bland. This much salt makes such a difference. Like, if you forgot salt, I promise you they'll taste nasty. What I do is mix them together. Just gonna add in some chocolate chips. Do you see that? Don't worry, they're just for me. So your pan should be really thick like this. And you're literally just gonna smooth it over. This is what you want. To the oven we go. So on the top of these, there's a ganache. So we're gonna make a ganache while the brownies are baking. All it is chocolate chips and some heavy cream. And you wanna make sure heavy cream is super hot so it melts the chocolate. I add in some corn syrup, and the corn syrup's gonna give it a nice shine. I'm just gonna... That should be good. I want this to sit for like 3 minutes, and then you're gonna give it a stir until it's completely melted. Then we're gonna give it a stir, and the chocolate should be melted. And of course we got a taste test. If I wasn't gonna use this, I would drink it. The brownies are out of the oven. Ooh, child. I'm gonna pour it over the fudge. Wouldn't be Cosmic Brownies if you don't have rainbow sprinkles. Sprinkle it over. This is what it looks like. We're gonna go in the freezer. You should just let it go in the fridge, but we're impatient because we gotta eat. I'm hungry. So we go for probably like 10 minutes. It's time! Okay, so I'm just gonna take it out. The secret to get really clean brownie cuts is to put your knife in water. You can even use milk. You just wanna make sure it's nice and wet. Size to a Cosmic Brownie. So I'm gonna cut it like here. You wanna make sure you wipe it off every time and then get it wet. That's if you're picky. I'm just being picky because y'all watching me. Let's grab a piece. Admire that. Do you see how good that looks? Do you see how bomb that looks? This is the best part for me. I'm coming for her job. Debbie better watch out.